everybody, this is Matthew at Mr. Domestic to do an unboxing of this box that I got from Claire of Wool Couture. They are a UK-based business, and I absolutely love her products and everything that they have there. So I have no problem shopping in the UK for it to come to America because it's really that next level and that boss. And just to extend some kindness to me, Claire sent me this lovely box, and I was like, this is a great opportunity to share with the YouTube community out there this really amazing company run by a spectacular woman. So, ready for me to open it? So, let's open it. So it says right here, to Matthew, for you and your lovely family. Handpicked by Claire, love Claire, with love from the Wool Couture team. Oh, and really, y'all, if you're not aware, a lot of the rope bowls that I make, I get the awesome colors from her. I just haven't seen macrame cotton cord of that quality that creates a durable rope bowl. I haven't shown this to anyone, but this is one that I finished. I even did it with a top. And it's just classy, super chic. Like, it's really durable and sturdy. I probably wouldn't use another macrame cord because it's a 10 out of 10. No reason to search anywhere else. So, boom. You want this? Mm-hmm. Okay, so are we ready to open it? Uh-huh. So, Wool Couture. Oh, this should be a fabric. Look at this. Great box, Claire. Oh, what are we doing? Okay, I'm just going to take each thing out, and I'll show you separately what each thing is, and I honestly have no idea what's in it. So, okay, let's focus on this right here, because look at it. It's a Christmas tree intermediate macrame kit, and as many times as I've gotten rope from her, I've never done macrame in my life, so I'm actually super jazzed to give this a go. Thanks, Claire. Let me take my little stiletto thing, open it just so we can see what's in it. Macrame cord. It comes with all the beads. This is a 3mm macrame rope. Like, even this, it's like a neutral, but the color is such a sophisticated color. Right here with a how-to and then a macrame Christmas tree. Should I make it? Absolutely, right, Helena?
Yeah.
Yes. So this will definitely be made. Oh, and with the little hook thing. We're gonna have fun. This might be even something we can do together, right? Like, we can work on this together and listen to the instructions or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's this. This right here is something. Is it, it's like a stuffing? So is there something stuffable? I don't know what's in here. It's a friendship bracelet craft kit. Oh! Right?
We have to make those together.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it up and look. Oh, I used to make these kind of friendship bracelets whenever I was in elementary school. I was a little bit older than you, and I used to make these kind. And oh, it's like passing on a tradition. Aww. So I'm excited. And it comes with some charms, like a little rainbow charm, a bee charm, some beads. These are instructions. I didn't even know they had all this kind of stuff. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun making some bracelets.
I want those beads.
I know you get, but you can have them when they're with a bracelet. So, not so much, okay? Okay. And this right here, my bag of happy. Oh, it's a little tote. Okay, what's in here? This is how it all started because I saw these little rainbows. And I didn't realize it was made out of merino wool. And I was like, I love this. I was actually going to buy it. And then she was like, I'm going to send you something. This community of crafters and makers is so phenomenal. And I was talking to Helena about how interesting a concept it is. If you spread kindness and give kindness to other people, it comes back to you Ding, ding, ding. What a novel concept, folks, right? So thank you, Claire, for extending your generosity and kindness to me. But this is, wow, look at this. These little rainbows, right, with these. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm excited to make these with the little Wool Couture 10mm hook. Yeah, this is going to be a party right here. And that's what the stuffing is for, is to stuff the rainbow. Stuff the rainbow, folks. Okay. Ah! I had to get it out. I'm so excited. So here's this, and then one more box. If y'all don't know about By Annie's stiletto, this thing is amazing. I used to use a seam ripper for everything, but now this is my go-to. Anytime I need to open a package, anything I need to press something down, so I'll link to that below too. And this, I got a knitting kit. I got a knitting kit! I'm a knitter! Robin the Octopus knitting kit.
That's literally an octopus.
Like, I can't believe it. And then it comes with the little needle to hide the ends. It comes with all of this. Bo baby. Hey, Bo baby. Yeah, it's like, Claire, your color selection is insanely sophisticated and chic. This is why time and time again I come to you, because I know that I'm gonna get colors that maybe I am not able to pick because I'm not very sophisticated, but I know that you're gonna do it for me, Claire, so thank you. And then it comes with stuffing, and then it comes with a little knitting thing, and then the little box. And I'll put all of this out pretty to take a picture for the thumbnail so that y'all can see it, but this is only a glimpse of what Wool Couture has. If you're in the UK, definitely check them out. If you are a macrame, crochet, knitter, beginner, intermediate, veteran, definitely check out her selection because it's unique and different and not stuff that I'm able to find in the States. So on that note, filled with gratitude, filled with joy, thank you so much to the entire team over at Wool Couture and to Claire for reaching out and sending this to me and extending kindness. I will definitely pay it forward. And to everyone out there, I hope you are doing wonderfully, as wonderful as you can during these times, and keep it safe out there. Keep it safe, because if you're in America right now, we really need to step up and keep it safe. So if you enjoyed this and my content, make sure to thumbs up, to subscribe, to leave a comment telling me how much you love this stuff, and check out Wool Couture. And then if you dig my vibe and want some more, I'm everywhere on the interweb. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook. I have an awesome Facebook group. I'm trying to figure out TikTok, folks, but I don't know that I'm young enough to quite get it, so one day I will. Until then, stick around, keep it safe, keep it awesome, keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.